welcome. Today in front of me MEIZU M5s, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here tap to the sounds and vibration, and as you can see our ringtone is just muted right now. And if you wanna just unmute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. I'll just show you. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just tap here once or twice on the one from the volume buttons, that doesn't matter, and here then just tap to this rectangle, and here you got the ringtone. Just to activate your ringtone, to unmute the ringtone, just swipe with your finger this white dot, and that's it. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.